Hello everyone and welcome to the Henry channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the lag and stuck problem on the Poco M3. As you can see, the phone is now stuck on black screen. I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. When you try to turn it on by pressing the power key, the phone will get stuck on a black screen and it doesn't turn on. So now I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first of all, you need to open settings of your phone. Go to settings. Click on apps, so you tap on apps and go to manage apps. Now from here you have to find system UI. Tap on system UI and just clear data. I'll show you again. From here you can clear data. Now go back and now find Poco launcher. Here is it. Now clear data on this one. And that's it. Now if your device is still getting stuck, you can download another launcher on your phone. Like I have downloaded this S9 launcher. You can also download any launcher to use your phone. I have downloaded this, so I recommend you downloading the same launcher on your phone. So your phone will be fixed and the stuck and lag problem will be solved. Here you can see the phone is all good now. So guys, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.